guys, it's Tia, aka Everyday Monet, and I'm here with a video called the top 5 Pamper Me, Treat Yourself type products. The first product that I feel like is a sort of Pamper Me, Treat Me type of product is this Wonder Brow eyebrow gel. It's like semi-permanent. If you've seen me do my brows, lately I haven't been using it, but I have used this and I do use this quite a bit. The reason I would call this like a Treat Me, Pamper Me is like you don't need it to do your brows, but it does like really keep them around a long time. And I actually really love this product. And for me, who I don't have a lot of natural brows, this kind of thing is a Treat Me situation. So that's that. The next thing that I think is a Treat Me, sort of Pamper Me, is this. It's one of my favorites. This is the Agave Lip Mask from Bite. Agave Lip Mask from Bite Beauty. This is something like I'll put it on after my shower, clean my face, do all that. And then the next day my lips are just like, they're like a baby butt. A baby's butt on my lips. So smooth, so soft. And this product that I have to hold with 2 hands, it really lasts like a super long time. The next thing is a face mask. This is the Boots No. 7 Beautiful Skin Purifying Mask for normal to oily skin. This is probably like my millionth bottle of this. The thing that I love about this the most is that you can feel this like tingling and like pulling dirt out of your pores. Like you can actually feel it working. Every time I use it, I feel like something's happened. I feel like it looks different. So I definitely think this is something. And then, you know, the Boots No. 7 line is super affordable. So I recommend this so much. You can get Boots No. 7 at Target and Ulta and probably other places, but that's where I know you can get it. Next on the list for pampering yourself is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is my all-time #1 facial cream. I use this almost exclusively unless I'm testing something else out. I never have issues with it. Even though I'm oily skin, and it says help hydrate dry, parched skin, I never feel like it makes my skin more oily. Like, it just works. And the nice thing is this is for face and elsewhere, so you can get the big one and just use it all over your body. Like, you don't have to be like face cream, neck cream, hand cream, body cream. This is the Treat Yourself to a Fabulous Cream. Number 4 or 2, depending on how you're like doing it, is this. It's another cream, hand cream, but this is called Hand Food. It's by Soap and Glory, and this is scented with Sugar Crush. I love this. The smell is divine, and I mean divine. And I feel like when you use it on your hands, it's not leaving your hands super greasy, and it, you know, hands is one of the things that can show your age. Like, you can put as much makeup on as you want, but if you have like dry, parched, wrinkly hands, it is what it is. I really feel like you can see a difference with this. The smell is amazing, the feel is amazing, and I would say treat yourself with this. Soap and Glory you can get at a bunch of places, Walmart, Ulta. I feel like you can get it at Target, but don't quote me on that. And the last number 5 or number 1 or whatever of the top 5 things that I think are like treat yourself, pamper yourself products are bath bombs. Oh my gosh, I love bath bombs, especially from Bath Bomb Cosmetics company. Like, okay, let me just set the stage. These, when they fizzle in your bath, these are actual real like rose petals. So this fizzles away and then all of a sudden your bath is like sprinkled with rosebuds. Like, it's so, oh, and they smell so good and it's awesome. This one actually has chocolate in it. It has chocolate in it. And it's just amazing. And there's these like little heart-shaped scented things that like go on your bath after this is done. This is Sweet Cherry Pie. I get most of these. You can get these at Ulta and a couple other places, and they're like way more expensive. I always get them at TJ Maxx, and Marshall's for like $2.99 because I think they're like $5, $6, or $7 outside of that. And then you have this one. I have so many of these that has glitter, which is so cute. And then that is like in your bath. So if you want like a pink glittery bath, there you go. So those are my top 5 Pamper treat yourself type products. Please share with me down below like what your Pamper treat me type of products are, like when you're just wanting to feel luxurious or special or sparkly or wonderful like you are every day, but you want to feel that way. What are the products that you use? If you enjoy this type of video, give it a little thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Bye!